Hi, I'm Ellen Lima, and I'm from Mason, Ohio, and I started coming to Dr. Tony about, I want to say 2 or 3 weeks ago, and I came here first just because of my knees, but I really have arthritis in all my joints throughout my body, and so I feel pain on almost a daily basis. Beforehand, I just had a lot of knee issues. It was very difficult to walk up and down stairs at times. My knees would hurt and wake me up during the night, all throughout the night. That was pretty much constant, and just my joints waking me up during the night. But that is all shifting. Anyway, so I've been on this knee program. It's been fantastic, and I'm feeling relief in my knees hugely already, but also the rest of my body. So that's been really great. And I've been following the nutrition program, and I've noticed a huge difference just all over in my body and my health. And I have more energy, and it's really, really helping. So I just love it.